Okay, today we're going to show you how to change the battery in your Nissan Key fob. Okay, let's get started. You want to turn your key fob over and there's a little tiny lever there. You want to push it and out will pop a hidden key. Just put that key aside for the moment. Okay, then you want to take a little tiny screwdriver there and you want to pry open the case in the spot that we're showing you. And then with both hands, just pull apart the key fob. And then you want to go in there and gently remove the battery. Okay, now you just want to grab your new battery. We'll put a link to that battery down in our description box. And you just want to carefully place it in. And then just remove the plastic covering from it. Then you just want to carefully put the two halves of the key fob back together. It's real easy. It just snaps closed. And you're done.